If you have been unsuccessfully trying to practice yoga and you also still could get to feel benefits, it's time to try something unique, Yoga Burn. Sometimes we never realize how much the planet adjacent affect us. You may not believe this, but minor points may affect our body in a manner you would not even imagine, and all the efforts you put in postures are seen in vain. Yoga seems an easy thing, though it's actually not, and you also really want right instructions to feel life-changing real benefits. Many Yoga Burn reviews help make this point. Yoga is a very complete practice, however you need to understand everything about it. You need to get in touch with your body system, and the majority of one's times this connection fails because we don't know almost everything that are supposed to do. But we will utilize any rules without understanding the real meaning, without taking note if our body is consuming it. To feel energized, to feel relief from stress, to increase your metabolic rate, to transform your body and tight raise muscles, you should consider your whole body messages, of precisely how it responds to a business, of which your whole body actually needs. If communication between your body plus your mind fails, then you certainly aren't going to be able to feel benefits. Yoga Burn serves as a life-changing yoga training guide which can assist you upon the process of improving your quality of life with detailed explanations to help you reach optimum emotional and physical health. You will finally get an optimal body transformation, the ideal yoga booty and tight flat belly you always wanted through simple and complete techniques. Zoe Bray Cotton, the author of a given Yoga Burn program, talks about this important connection and awareness, plus reveals 3 often and dangerous mistakes we make when trying to learn yoga. If you are searching to find a means to reconnect in your body and luxuriate in benefits in each and every advantage of your well-being, keep reading this Yoga Burn review to know how it works.